Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to record your screen or take a snip of your screen. It's on a Mac computer. This is something that took me a minute to figure out, but it actually is pretty nifty, and I got to give props to Apple for this. It seems like this is a little bit easier to do on a Mac than it is on a PC from my experience. All you really have to do, and because I'm recording on through this method, it will kind of be a little bit backwards, but all you want to do is hit Command Shift 5, and then you'll see this little pop out up here. And this is going to give you the type of information that you need as we're recording. So it will give you the opportunity to capture, which is just like if you do this on PC, it's just like a snip. You can just kind of click and drag what you want. You can capture the entire screen, take that picture of whatever you're seeing on your screen. Or if you'd like, you can capture a select window. Or even if you want to just click and drag on a portion, you can just do that and select the data. Right now, mine obviously is recording. So if you want to, this will give you the option to either, it will say record over here, or you can click capture and we'll just capture this image. Or once it is recording, you can just hit stop your screen recording. And then you can also do a couple things. You can determine where you want this to be saved. So if you want it saved to the desktop or your documents, whatever it might be, you can set up some timer instructions there. It will also, before you start recording, it will give you the option to use either the Max microphone, or if you have another microphone as well, designate how you want your audio to be captured. So a great, easy built-in feature on the Mac, which again, I think is pretty simple and slick to use. So, as you're going and capturing your screen, this is a great way to go about doing that. And hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.